Welcome. This is Easy Driver, and this the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Are North American cars better than European cars? This is part 2 of our series on North American versus European cars. In this segment, we're diving deeper into the comparison, focusing on technology and the cost of ownership. Stay tuned to make an informed decision. Fuel efficiency. In today's automotive industry, fuel efficiency has become a key consideration for car buyers. With rising fuel prices and growing environmental concerns, it's no wonder that people are looking for vehicles that offer better mileage and alternative fuel options. Let's explore the fuel efficiency aspects of North American cars versus European cars, focusing on MPG ratings and alternative fuel choices. MPG ratings. One of the primary factors to consider when comparing North American cars to European cars is their fuel efficiency, often measured in miles per gallon (MPG). MPG ratings indicate the number of miles a vehicle can travel on a single gallon of fuel. North American cars generally have a reputation for larger, more powerful engines, which may result in lower MPG ratings compared to their European counterparts. However, advancements in technology have led to improvements in fuel efficiency across the board. European cars, on the other hand, are known for their efficient and compact designs, which often contribute to higher MPG ratings. Many European manufacturers have prioritized fuel efficiency and incorporated innovative technologies to optimize their vehicles' performance. Alternative fuel options. As the world moves towards more sustainable and eco-friendly solutions, alternative fuel options have gained popularity. Both North American and European car manufacturers have been actively exploring and implementing alternative fuel technologies. Electric vehicles have emerged as a promising alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. With zero tailpipe emissions and improved battery technology, EVs offer a cleaner and more environmentally friendly driving experience. European car manufacturers, in particular, have been at the forefront of EV development, with several popular models available on the market. Another alternative fuel option gaining traction is hybrid technology. Hybrids combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor, offering improved fuel efficiency. These vehicles can switch between gasoline and electric power, reducing both emissions and fuel consumption. Many North American and European car manufacturers have invested in hybrid technology and offer hybrid versions of their popular models. Additionally, some European car manufacturers have been investing in diesel technology. Diesel engines, while known for their higher torque and better fuel efficiency, have faced scrutiny due to their higher emissions. However, recent advancements in diesel technology have addressed many of these concerns, making diesel-powered cars cleaner and more fuel-efficient. In summary, when it comes to fuel efficiency, both North American and European cars have made significant progress. While North American cars may have larger engines and potentially lower MPG ratings, they have also implemented various technologies to improve fuel efficiency. European cars, on the other hand, have a reputation for compact designs and higher MPG ratings, often accompanied by a broader range of alternative fuel options such as electric and hybrid vehicles. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on personal preferences, budget, and overall priorities. Technology and infotainment. In today's automotive industry, technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall driving experience. From touchscreen displays to advanced connectivity features, both North American and European car manufacturers strive to provide drivers with cutting-edge infotainment systems. Let's explore some of the key features in this section. Touchscreen displays. One of the most noticeable advancements in modern cars is the integration of touchscreen displays. These high-resolution screens serve as a central hub for controlling various functions within the vehicle. Whether it's adjusting the climate settings, accessing navigation maps, or managing multimedia options, touchscreen displays offer a user-friendly and convenient interface. Car manufacturers on both sides of the Atlantic have embraced this technology, offering displays of different sizes and layouts to cater to varying preferences. Some models feature large, tablet-like screens that provide ample real estate for displaying information, while others opt for a more minimalist design. Regardless of the style, touchscreen displays have become a staple in modern cars, adding a touch of sophistication and ease of use. Connectivity features. In today's fast-paced digital age, staying connected on the go is more important than ever. This is where connectivity features in cars come into play. Both North American and European car manufacturers have integrated various connectivity options to keep drivers and passengers connected and entertained during their journeys. Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless pairing of smartphones, enabling hands-free calling and streaming of music. USB ports and auxiliary inputs provide additional options for connecting external devices, such as flash drives or MP3 players. Some car models even include wireless charging pads, eliminating the need for messy cables. Moreover, the ability to integrate smartphones into the infotainment system through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto further enhances the driving experience. Drivers can easily access their favorite navigation apps, music streaming services, and voice assistants directly from the car's interface, ensuring a safer and more convenient journey. Sound systems. What's a great drive without an exceptional sound system to accompany it? Car manufacturers understand the importance of delivering high-quality audio experiences, and both North American and European cars excel in this aspect. Premium audio brands such as Bose, Harman Kardon, and Bang & Olufsen are often found in luxury car models from both regions. These advanced sound systems employ cutting-edge technologies to reproduce crystal-clear music and immersive soundscapes. With strategically placed speakers and advanced equalization algorithms, drivers and passengers can enjoy their favorite tunes with incredible clarity and depth. Additionally, some cars offer personalized sound settings, allowing individuals to tailor the audio output to their preferences. Whether you're a fan of booming bass or a more balanced soundstage, these customizable options ensure a tailored audio experience for every journey. In conclusion, technology and infotainment systems have transformed the way we interact with our vehicles. Touchscreen displays, connectivity features, and advanced sound systems have become integral parts of both North American and European cars, offering convenience, connectivity, and an enhanced driving experience for all. Cost of ownership. When comparing North American cars versus European cars, one important factor to consider is the cost of ownership. This encompasses various aspects such as the purchase price, maintenance and repairs, and resale value. Let's delve into each of these subsections to get a better understanding. Purchase price. When it comes to the purchase price, there is a noticeable difference between North American cars and European cars. Generally, North American cars tend to have a lower upfront cost compared to their European counterparts. This is due to various factors including differences in manufacturing processes, market demand, and brand prestige. Maintenance and repairs. Maintenance and repair costs are another critical factor to consider when determining the overall cost of ownership. European cars often come with higher maintenance costs compared to North American cars. This is mainly due to the use of advanced technologies, specialized parts, and the higher cost of importation. Additionally, European cars may require more frequent maintenance intervals to ensure optimal performance and reliability. On the other hand, North American cars are typically designed with a focus on affordability and ease of maintenance. They often have readily available parts and a larger network of authorized service centers, resulting in lower maintenance and repair expenses for owners. Resale value. Resale value is an essential aspect to take into account when evaluating the cost of ownership over the long term. European cars have a reputation for retaining their value better than North American cars. This is partly due to the perception of higher build quality, advanced features, and a strong market demand for European luxury vehicles. However, it's worth noting that North American cars have made significant strides in recent years, with some models offering competitive resale values. Factors such as brand reputation, model popularity, and overall condition of the vehicle can also influence the resale value. In conclusion, the cost of ownership for North American cars versus European cars differs in various ways. While North American cars generally have a lower purchase price and maintenance costs, European cars often have better resale value. It's essential for buyers to carefully consider their budget, long-term ownership goals, and personal preferences when deciding between the two options. Brand reputation. When it comes to comparing North American car brands to their European counterparts, one crucial aspect that often comes into play is brand reputation. Both regions boast automotive manufacturers with strong legacies and loyal followings. Let's take a closer look at the key players from each side. North American car brands. Ford stands tall as one of the most iconic American car brands. With a storied history that dates back over a century, it has consistently provided consumers with reliable and innovative vehicles. From the rugged F-150 pickup truck to the iconic Mustang, Ford has cultivated a reputation for producing vehicles that cater to a wide range of preferences and needs. General Motors, known for its divisions including Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick, has become synonymous with American ingenuity and craftsmanship. GM has successfully adapted to evolving market trends, producing vehicles that blend performance, comfort, and style. Whether it's the rugged Chevrolet Silverado or the luxurious Cadillac Escalade, GM offers a diverse lineup to cater to different segments of the market. Chrysler, now part of Stellantis, has been a prominent player in the North American automotive industry. Known for its forward-thinking designs and innovative technologies, Chrysler has left an indelible mark on the market. With models like the Chrysler 300 and the Pacifica minivan, the brand aims to provide consumers with a unique driving experience that combines style, functionality, and advanced features. European car brands. BMW, a highly respected German automaker, has made a name for itself with its emphasis on performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Known for its sheer driving pleasure, BMW offers a range of vehicles that cater to different tastes. From the sporty 3 Series and the luxurious 7 Series to the versatile X Series SUVs, BMW consistently delivers on its promise of exceptional driving experiences. Mercedes-Benz, another prestigious German brand, has long been associated with elegance, refinement, and engineering excellence. Synonymous with luxury, Mercedes-Benz offers a lineup that includes sedans, SUVs, coupes, and convertibles. Whether it's the iconic S-Class, the popular C-Class, or the versatile GLE SUV, Mercedes-Benz vehicles exude sophistication and advanced technology. Volkswagen, a German automaker renowned for its quality and attention to detail, has captured the hearts of many car enthusiasts worldwide. Known for their reliability and durability, Volkswagen models such as the Golf, Passat, and Tiguan have become household names. The brand's commitment to engineering excellence and practicality has earned it a solid reputation in the automotive industry. When comparing North American car brands to their European counterparts, it's important to consider the variations in brand reputation. While North American brands often embody a sense of ruggedness and reliability, European brands exude sophistication, luxury, and a focus on performance. Ultimately, the choice between North American and European cars will depend on individual preferences, needs, and desired driving experiences. In conclusion, when it comes to comparing North American cars and European cars, it is evident that both regions have their unique strengths and qualities. North American cars are often known for their powerful engines and spacious interiors, catering to the needs of those seeking comfort and performance. On the other hand, European cars are renowned for their sophisticated designs, advanced technology, and superior handling capabilities. While North American cars excel in providing a smooth and effortless driving experience, European cars prioritize precision and agility on the road. These distinctions stem from differences in cultural preferences, driving conditions, and market demands. Ultimately, the choice between a North American car or a European car depends on individual preferences, budgetary considerations, and specific requirements. Whether one values raw power and comfort or elegance and performance, both regions offer a wide range of options to satisfy varying tastes. It's important for car buyers to thoroughly research and test drive different models to make an informed decision that aligns with their needs and desires. Thank you for joining us in Part 2 of our North American cars versus European cars comparison. We hope this series has provided you with valuable insights for your car buying decisions. If you found this content informative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Stay informed and make the best choice for your next car. Until next time, happy driving. Thank you for watching.